Good morning, welcome in English grammar class. Today I am here to explain part 2 pronoun. Okay, yes, here are demonstrative pronoun. The word demonstrative means to show clearly. When we point out something, for example, when we want point out to call anyone or to show anything. For example, a pronoun that point out the object or object to which it refers is called demonstrative. Just like in हिंदी we talk about, हम बात करते हैं ना संकेतवाचक, जब हम इशारा करके बोले, okay, there are four words we use for demonstrative pronoun. This, these, that, those. Okay, dear students, in the above sentence, this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns because they are used to demonstrate or point out something, different object. Okay, beta, now please be careful about why we use this or these. This or these are used in object which near by us, जो हमारे आसपास हो. Be careful. So please, you have to listen, you have to pay attention on these points कि this और these का यूज़ हम तब करेंगे जब ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास में हो. ओके बेटा. That and those are used for an object which are far from us. That for singular, those for plural. This for singular, these for plural. Okay, dear students, here are some exercises. Okay, so now next point, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are used for asking questions. Very simple. WH words are here. Who are you? Whom did you teach? Any type of question. All question type sentences. Okay, in the above sentences, the word who, whom, which, and what are interrogative pronouns because they are used for asking questions. Here is one exercise related to interrogative pronoun. I have already sent exercises. Okay, now complete this exercise. I will send again for you. Now here relative pronoun. Relative pronouns relates to noun or pronoun which are called its antecedent. Actually beta, the main thing is this antecedent, clauses, subject clause, these are you will learn, you will read in senior class. Only in this time, in this year, you have to learn the most common relative pronouns are which, that, whose, whoever, who, whom, and whomever. Just like conjunctions. Okay, you have to read relative pronoun just like conjunctions. For example, those who have completed. Here, who, relative pronoun. The read books which are hardbound are not on the shelves. We correlate to subject to other part of the sentence. This word is just like conjunction and this is called relative pronoun. Okay, that essentially has subject and a predicate verb and just like we use as well as conjunction. Okay beta, ये conjunction की तरह है. This pronoun is just like conjunction. Okay beta. Next is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun when the action of verbs return to the doer. जब ऐसा when we want to say something और जो verb returns to the main subject. For example, I worked on the project myself. I verb returns on myself. You noticed yourself. You is subject, verb comes back, verb आ जाती है वहीं same you पर. Okay, it means when the action of verb return to the doer, just pronoun सब्जेक्ट से ही रिलेट हो जाती है. ओके बेटा. ही वेंट आउट हिमसेल्फ. शी रोट द लेटर हरसेल्फ. दे लर्न देमसेल्फ. जस्ट लाइक दीज. ओके. दीज pronoun myself, yourself, ourselves, himself, herself, these are reflexive pronoun. Itself have been, just see here, have been used as receiver of action. Okay, they are therefore called reflexive pronoun. Okay, the next is emphasizing pronoun. A reflexive pronoun that lays emphasizes on particular noun or pronoun is called emphasizing. देखो बेटा, emphasizing means जब हम किसी पर बहुत ही जोर डालते हैं, कहते हैं ना, वी पूरी फोर्सफुली वी आर सेइंग आई माई सेल्फ कुकड फॉर यू. हेयर माई सेल्फ जस्ट आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट, यू योर सेल्फ, द शॉप itself. These are example of emphasizing. In the above sentences, the pronoun myself, yourself, itself, emphasizing pronoun because they are used to give special importance to the subject. Okay beta, so revise these points. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.